Welcome to today's video. In this video, we'll show how plain rebar, angle and flat bar are manufactured in a small local factory using recycled scrap steel. First, the process begins with cutting scrap steel plates and other leftover steel materials into small pieces. These pieces are cut and prepared for heating. Here you can see a lot of small pieces for materials are stocked. Next, the cut steel is placed inside a furnace. As the temperature increases, the steel becomes soft and workable. Once the steel is softened, it is taken out using a long tongs and passes through a rolling machine. You can see the machine has several frames. Each frame is slightly narrower than the previous one. As the hot steel moves through these frames, it becomes longer, narrower, and gradually forms the shape of the required steel product. Finally, the finished steel items are placed in a cooling area, where they cool down naturally before being stored or sent to customers. This is a simple and efficient method used by small-scale steel factories to convert scrap material into useful construction materials. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe for more civil engineering and construction related videos. Thank you.